Phasa nese. Ha, uzama ungihlaba boy. Nantu. Nguthi.
Yes, boy. Nduwe, buku replay boy. Man, buku replay boy kola mishana njalo.
Press A man.
Wena njalo, ave you so loser wena.
Shintshitsime.
Yeah, sure. For international, eh?
Okay, kuyafana ngizokushayisa no. Hawu, ngishintshe lutho ufuna uba yini?
Hayi, no, France boy.
Ngizokhethani. Boy. Afuna sithu kancane. Ngisukukhuluma kancane sana.
Yeah.
Look, angithanda nge-tension between you and I earlier on. Got some boy kitchen. And I've been thinking, Sano. Firstly, why am I telling to Sibongile such an amazing person?
Yeah, well. Technically, eh?
Yeah, fun. But not only what's emotional, it's like she's smart. Hella funny. I mean, man, no more stuff. It's like one of the sweetest people I've ever, come across. Can't futhi uwangitshengisa sketch sakhe asebenza kusona for your portfolio. I think she's pretty dope, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come some sevens wakhe. That's nice.
I think she's really dope of a man. Young Sazanam, it's inspirational, man.
Yeah. That's Sibongile for you.
Yeah. So, mina nawe ngeke sibe nenkinga, right?
Yeah.
We take things to the next level, mina nosiko.
Any? Serious?
Like a heart attack, my boy.
I can say. Angeke ukwazi futhi ukuba serious Sibongile.
Come on, why, Sano?
Sano, mfethu ngikhambe emhlabeni engafani. Nina nobabili. Sibongile ngapha mfethu, she's just a maid. Sano. And wena, we athlete. You all over. Sibongile mfethu. Ntombazane nje enganalutho ephumela emakhaya. And wena, no offense, but you're a rolling stone. Impilo yakho yonke sikamareza mfethu. Udlala ngamantombazane. Futhi angikuboni ushintsha nje anytime soon.
Take that to the chin. Valid point. That's why I'm trying to change. Shintshela yena uSipho. Cool.